Hi everyone, Mike Parecka from SkipperBud's. Wanted to take a moment to just walk through and show you a couple of unique, cool features on this brand new 2025 Tiara 38 LS. This is hull 269. We just received the boat. It is painted, the hull is painted in windward gray. The boot stripe is in Rolls-Royce fountain blue. The color combination is stunning. They're both effect colors, so they have a lot of flake and pop into them. This boat is equipped with the largest available power, which is triple Mercury 400 V10s. You can also see this boat has the outboard cowling painted option. I call it a mohawk. So the mohawks are painted to match either the hull color or the boot stripe color. These are windward gray, so this matches the hull color. I often get asked, what is this stainless steel fitting here? I call it a leisure ladder. So on the opposing side, on the port side, there's a safety ladder that's located under a lid. Here, this is if you're doing a lot of swimming, you're anchored out. This is a large angled ladder that sits deep into the water and has a large footstep, so it's very comfortable to get on and off. So this is not a permanent ladder. There is a permanent ladder. This is just an additional ladder to make egress a little easier. I also often get asked, what are these doohickeys back here? So those are safety lights that Mercury has. So when the engines are started and running, that whole light will be illuminated. When the prop is spinning, the light will rotate. You'll actually see the light move like it's rotating like a prop. That's just telling people props are spinning and to be careful. On the opposing side, we have another light, and then we also have, for our saltwater friends, a fitting. There is a connection fitting in the owner's pack. We can connect there to a garden hose. You can then start and run all three engines and flush the engines right from here. We also have transom shower moving forward. Then we've got your shore cord. You've got your breakers, your freshwater connection. It's all in there. Now, if you're not familiar with the 38, this aft seat is kind of special. So it is right now facing forward. So as you're sitting here, everyone's facing forward. With this button right here, by engaging that, you're unlocking the mechanism below and allow you to manually turn the seat 180 degrees aft. So all this space we have now is going to shorten, and we're going to gain that space back here. So the theory behind that is, if you're entertaining and people are connecting with the water, you turn it around, you're going to have more beach, teak beach in the back, and everyone kind of interacting with the water. That has been an absolute huge hit for Tiara, and people love that. Butcher block teak table. You can just see the reflection in this. Tiara's always done a fantastic job with their teak. Here we've got the platinum synthetic teak that can also come in natural. Natural would be more of a teak color. This gray, in conjunction with the Signature Series vinyl, which is the upgraded vinyl. This is dolphin gray. The gray hull, blue boot stripe, gray seating, and platinum all really ties well together. We do have two large symmetrical storage boxes, port, starboard. We also have a large mechanical room. In the mechanical room, you'll have your seakeeper, your generator, your batteries, your air conditioning. All that is located down below. We have two aft-facing seats with storage underneath them. We also have a refrigerator, a storage drawer, a Kenyon electric grill, a sink, and then we also have for your outside television. This is the mount for your outside television. So the television you use outside is actually the television that is mounted on the wall in the cabin. A couple of cotter pins on the back that pulls off, mounts to this post, and you can see how beefy this post is. And these different teeth will give you a different angle in which you can choose to view the television. JL audio speakers, that's tied into a Fusion sound system. Excellent sound system. Side rocking trash can. It's amazing how often I hear the importance of having a large trash can. So Tiara has installed an oversized trash can with a designated area where it just gets it up and out of the way. In the gunnels here, we have a fold out. These hooks are to store lines and then let your lines dry, but it's a real nice convenient place to keep and store your lines. On the floor here, standard, you'll see more of that platinum synthetic teak. I've taken the liberty of folding down the bolster step. So this step here actually will fold up and hide away just like that. But that will give you approximately another 8 inches of clearance for additional viewing if you're vertically challenged. We also have a refrigerator, footrests that fold out, 3 abreast seating, twin Garmin screens, Fusion sound system, Mercury Smartcraft system. This does have a seat keeper, which is gatewayed into here. We also have these labeled push buttons. I absolutely love labeled push buttons. Way better than any digital switching. Mercury JPO, the latest and greatest Mercury control box, the Tiara upgraded teak wheel, bow thruster, which is standard equipment, Ritchie compass, which is standard equipment, Yeti cooler, Tiara logoed. That sucker weighs like 40 pounds, but will hold ice forever. That is standard equipment. So on the port side, you can see we have steps walking up. That'll give us an additional area if we have a higher dock to get on and off, but it also allows for space in the cabin. On the starboard side, we have this nice deep, a lot of freeboard here, nice deep walk forward area to store some fenders, large bow seating area with storage underneath. We also have armrests that fold out, a lot of attention to detail, double post table, windlass with remote, all chain, and chain lock are located in there. Forward, you'll see a little stainless steel circle there. There's another one here. There's another one there. That is a Mediterranean sunshade that clips to this up here. So that would be a manual sunshade that you install yourself. It's pretty easy to do, but that's a manual sunshade. The Make Fast sunshade, which is back here, that is powered and controlled at the helm. Going into the cabin, you can see we have 3 steps down, fiberglass, teak, and in here, there's RGB lighting. So if it was on, the light that you choose would be lit in here, and you can control the color and the speed all by this remote right here. And it would show you the color of what's going on in that center light. Material on the walls here, that's Chili, which is a very durable, easy to clean wall covering. This will look like this 35 years from now. Very, very durable. Microwave convection oven. Here is your main distribution panel. Down below, we've got our ignitions. We also have our GFIs, our high water bilge, generator start, and then waste, black water, and fresh water. Sleeping for 2. You can see we have air conditioning control here. There's that television. So that television is the one with the cotter pins that pops out and will actually go in the aft. Sizable wet head, vacuum flush head system with window. You can see we have the Tiara logo life jackets, and here's a filler cushion. This boat is right out of the wrapper. It is absolutely a stunning boat. It is located in Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and come take a look at some Tiaras.